Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. Today I am in the house with these 6 haptic coins, and these are pretty much my favorite haptic coins. I mean, that I tried. I'm sure there's like plenty out there, like there's like a lot, but these are my favorite. And sometimes you guys ask me which one I like the most, and these are the haptic coins that I love. So there's 2 different kind of haptic coins. These are just like regular. So this is the Ambori, this is the token. It's just like a classic haptic coin. So couple of slabs of metal with some magnets on the inside, set of bearings spinning around, and then you have these 2 parts together, and you just, you know, click away like this, and they just rotate. And also you can be quiet. So that is one that I really like. And look at the engraving of this little guy, you know, abducted by the aliens as he's in the woods with some campfire going on like that, you know, beautiful. And on the back you get to see the alien and a bunch of details which are just incredibly done. So that is one. Everything else is Xeric. This, I believe, is brass or bronze. I forgot, but these are Xeric. That's the Coca-Cola. That's an haptic coin as well. And this is the Lauti. As you can see, look at this. Simple. And it also has this little pivot that just flew over the table, and it's back. So Lauti, this is a pretty cool haptic coin. This is the AC EDC, no, this is the EDC house collaboration. And that's the Black Mirror design telephone dial, which is a limited edition of 50. And this is a little bit different because you can modify the feel and the sound of this one. So these 3 are a little bit more complex. These are just simple haptic coins, and this is like, so you can use it like that, okay, like a regular different haptic coin, but also this guy is able to spin and produce this little sound for a very short period of time. Or you can just swap it and modify and just have a very different and louder click. This is the AC EDC. It's the gamer clicker and has very loud clicks, but also it's a haptic coin. So multi-fidget toy as well. See, you have like a clicker and then here haptic coin. So again, combo for this guy right over there. This is the AC EDC Milky, and is again probably, I would say, my favorite of them all, especially in this blasted Xeric finish. You get the haptic coin on the top right over there, okay, and then on the inside you have this, which is a clever design. You can swap this if like there's other materials if you want to swap them, and you can just, you see, or slide. So it's a haptic, it's a slider too. That is why this is probably my favorite. It just rotates, so like that, and then slides back, and it's a haptic coin as well. So really, these are probably my favorite 3 complex, 3 simple haptic coins on the market that you can check out. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.